great Democratic governor of Delaware, but now will be his predecessor, led this effort amongst Democratic governors and amongst the national governors to make sure that we are expanding opportunities for the employment of those with disabilities and differences. We're doing it in my state on an ongoing basis, so we have the highest employment levels that we can read for people with disabilities in our state of all time, and we're working hard at that. But that's also an audience of people that need to be taken care of in other ways, including health care. Let me touch on one other issue on this health care issue. And that is, every state arrayed before you that's been able to expand Medicaid has expanded treatment for mental illness in their state by participating in that program. Connecticut is now ranked #1 in mental health care in the nation, in part because we were so successful in bringing people into coverage under Medicaid. It is making a world of difference. When people get treatment for their medical conditions or their mental conditions, they are employable, and that's what our goal needs to be. I think there's a lack of calculation on how much money the money we're spending on healthcare is actually saving. And let me say that this, on top of all of that, the plans that I've seen coming out of Republicans will cause us to lose at least 1 million jobs. At least 1 million jobs in the United States is what's being factored in. In fact, what they're talking about in closed rooms without Democrats in the room, Republicans right now, is how to have a plan that doesn't even get scored. Doesn't even get scored. So that they don't have to admit what they are actually doing is disassembling a program and ultimately just shifting the cost to the states. But you're right. The programs that we have built and put together to get the disabled employed and to help people with mental conditions will be wiped out.